welcome back to my channel and happy Thursday. Today I have an unboxing to share with you guys. I received some birthday mail from my sweet sister Pam and I'm super excited to share it with you. Today is Thursday, May 28th and I'm officially 36 years old. Oh my gosh. But I'm very excited, so let's go ahead and open this gift. I'm gonna just slice the box right open because the top has our addresses and it's pretty big letters, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it open. But it's a nice big box and it just says fragile on it, and she put a little note and a thank you to the post office people for handling it. That's so sweet. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking everything out. So once I open it up, I'm gonna show you guys, at least that I can show you guys. So this is what it looks like. So once you take out that bubble wrap, it has a whole bunch of cute stuff inside. And the first thing that we see is this super cute picture frame. It's like a canvas print and it has the, I'm just gonna open it. This is so cute. You guys know I have a Hershey baby in my life. I love that dog. He's my everything. And she wraps it so nicely. Alright. Okay, so here we have it. It's like a canvas print and it's actually really nice. It's almost like a wood and it says best dog ever, and then it has a little clip so that I can put my puppy's picture on here, which is really sweet, and then I can just put it in my planner desk or, you know, to keep them close to me. So I love that if it's a 4x6 picture, and that is so pretty. I love the colors. So thank you, Pam. I love it. Alright, then she sent me a birthday card. It says happy birthday, sis. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Wow, there's a lot of cute stuff in there. If I sound really out of breath, it's because it's really hot in here. We put the air conditioner on, but I don't know what's going on with my body temperature. It is like so hot. I feel really hot. But once you open it up, oh my goodness, this is the cutest little card ever. It says, have a llama fun. Have a llama fun on your birthday. That is so cute. That's what that looks like. Oh my goodness, I love it. And then she wrote me a sweet note. She added some really cute stickers. I love this. And then she put a little card right here that says happy birthday. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, I love it. You guys know me so well. I love this. I'm gonna put this on my desk. That way I can keep it close by. Alright, so then the next thing she sent me is a sticker book. It has 411 stickers. That's what the back looks like. It has a lot of pastel and blue tones, which I love. And I'm going to go ahead and open it so that we can do a little flip of it. And there we go. Alright, so then here is what we have in the first page. All these beautiful quotes, which I love. I think quote stickers are one of the funnest stickers to work with. Then we have the days of the week. Then we have these. I love these. These are really pretty. I like this whole book. These are so cute. Lunch date, errands, movie night, to do. I love using the to-dos. Pay bills, today's list. Then we got the larger boxes, the checklist, special day, don't forget, banner boxes, quarter banners, circles. And then we have the ones with the little alarm for like appointments. Some more banners. These are so pretty. I love them. And then these. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, Pam, thank you so much. I love them. And then she also sent me some day covers. Oh, you guys know I'm obsessed with day covers. I'm gonna try not to mess it up. It says, to my sis. She's so sweet. I love her. Alright, I'm just gonna tear it open. Alright, here we have some cute day covers. Oh my goodness, these are so pretty. So we got the pink tones from darkest to lightest, and you got the Monday through Sunday. I love those. I'm obsessed. And then you got the blue tones. Look at how pretty. And then we got the yellow and orange tones. Ah, these are so cute. Oh my goodness, I love them. Alright, next she sent me some washi tape. How pretty are these? I love the whole tone of the box that she sent me. It's like a lot of pinks, a lot of girly stuff. Alright, these are gorgeous. These are by Bando paper tape set. So this is washi tape. Can I open it? I want to open it. These are so pretty though, right? Like to just leave in the box. Let me see if I can. I want you guys to see how they look like. Oh wow, these are beautiful, and you get a ton. That's a huge roll. So look at how pretty these are. I love these kind of florals. And then bad days, no bad days. That's so pretty. And then this silver foil that almost looks like iridescent. So pretty. I love that. Thank you, Pam. I love this. This is gorgeous. Alright, so next we have some pens. These are super cute. They're like ombre pens. You got like the yellow tones, the green tones down to the blue, the pinks down to the peaches, and then the purples, lavenders, lilacs, and blues. And then you get a 3 count, and they are black ink, 0.7 millimeters. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love them. Alright, so next she sent... Alright, so she sent me a face set, which is a 5-piece, and these are all face masks. Oh my goodness, I love that, so I can pamper myself. It has the little silicone for the face cleansing. It has 4 masks, and they are in the rose. I love that. I can't wait to use it. I'm going to have to hide it from my daughter because she loves all of that stuff. Alright, and then lastly... Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. It says no bad days. It's like a portfolio or like a binder. Look at how pretty and pink it is. Oh, I love it. I love anything that looks like this. Oh, it smells so pretty. It does. It is by Bando. And it says, get it together, it's a folio, no bad days. Oh, Pam, this is beautiful. I'm gonna open it up. And then once you open it, wow, that is gorgeous. So it has like, it has a little pocket here. And then it has another pocket here, another one here, and then here. And then it has one right here. Right here it has 3 pen loops. It has a little card. It has a little pocket here. And then like little card pockets here. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. So what do you do? So I'm thinking I can put like a large notebook, right? Or maybe my planner probably fits. Oh, my happy planner probably fits in here. I could put my pens, my little credit card or business cards, and then let me know if you guys want to see a setup of how I set this up. I'll probably use it for my happy planner. I'm thinking it'll fit, or if not, maybe I'll find like a nice notebook that I can put in here. But this is beautiful, Pam. I'm obsessed and I love it, and I'm gonna display it in my planner area. Thank you so much. It's gorgeous. I can't stop smelling it. It smells so good. That's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video and spending a little bit of my birthday with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as always, if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let Pam know how awesome she is. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.